Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my lovely sister here. She's visiting me for about a week, and we are going to be trying the Blindfold challenge. I'm going to be blindfolded and attempting my best to do her makeup. And I'm hoping the audio is okay on this because I don't have an external mic. So if it's not the best, we're sorry. We are sorry. We're very sorry, but we wanted to do it live. So that we could actually, like, you know, you could hear what we're saying, because we'll probably be goofing up a bunch. Well, at least I will. And, you know.
To make it a little easier, I'm going to hand her each of the products for the parts of my face, so it's not a complete abomination, so we're kind of augmenting it just a little bit.
Yes. So we are going to be trying that, so hopefully you guys like it.
Okay.
Okay, is it going?
Yep.
Okay.
Starting with foundation.
Oh, yes.
It's like the Wet n Wild Ivory foundation.
Yes, I think this is the shade Nude Ivory. I'm just using a flat top foundation brush for this. I'm gonna spackle this right on your face. Alright. You wanna hold the bottle for me so I don't drop it? Thank you. And maybe the brush just so I could...
Okay.
Where are you? There you are. Oh. Here. This is face. Am I doing it? Oh my god. Oh, watch, I'm like... Rich, I don't want to get on your lips. Is this your... Yeah, that's your lips, because I can feel your... Do I need more? I feel like... Oh.
I can't tell you, isn't that cheating?
Did I just flick anything on my shirt?
No.
Okay, good. I felt like I did. Okay. Oh, watch him do it too much. Okay, and make sure I don't stab you in the eye.
When in doubt, blood it out.
I feel like we're good.
Okay.
I feel like we're good, but let me make sure I just like to get this Never mind, looks bad regardless. Okay, so
What next?
concealer.
Alright.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
I'm scared.
Sorry. Where are you? Oh, okay. Ah! Okay, I'm going to...
My eyes are closed.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I just got my hand. I don't know.
Let's let the people see what's going on here.
Okay. Oh, sorry, is that
You're
rough?
fine.
Too rough. Tell me if I accidentally hurt you.
Oh no, I'll tell you, don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we're doing this now.
Yep, close yours. Just gonna pat it around. Set the whole face.
We're on bronzer now. So, here we go.
Yeah, this is Maybelline.
I don't wear bronzer, so this is gonna be interesting.
Okay, don't let this like make you think that
Don't let
bronzer
me-
all looks like garbage because it won't.
Right.
It'll look like garbage now, but
Okay.
Right? Okay. I have a feeling this is going all sorts of wrong. I have a feeling this is going lovely.
It's doing something.
It's doing something. Oh no! Normally I put a
Get in
little
the
bit.
frame.
I know. Normally I put a little on the nose like this.
Okay.
Okay.
We're good? Alright.
Oh dang it, I forgot to grab blush.
Bronzer's good. I don't normally wear blush, so we're just gonna skip that step for this.
Okay, highlighter.
What next? Highlighter.
Oh wait, what side did I put that on? Just okay, let's put it on both sides, so just in case.
Just, why not? I mean,
Just in case I don't know what side I'm using.
alright.
Yeah, this is like 1,000 times harder than I thought it was gonna be. I was like, I don't know, at least the base is gonna
That's
be...
my hair. Okay, we're good.
Oh,
There we go, we're good.
sorry.
We're good.
I was like, at least the base is gonna be really easy. No! What the heck? Okay, normally do it on the nose too. Nose. And I'll always do some like right there on the lip. Woo! Okay.
Okay.
Is it out?
It's out, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start.
I'm gonna turn toward the camera a little bit, so. I don't know if they can see what you're doing, but
It's gonna be all sorts of awful. It's bad.
no, I'm just showing the camera, so if you want to zoom in on shit, you can.
Feel with your eyes on.
Alright.
Blend, blend, blend. Oh, this is gonna be so bad. Oh, sorry. You know, I'm touching all these colors with my fingers, and then I realize I'm just touching the rest of your face with the same fingers. So, whoops. This is so much harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, I'm feeling bad. I got that money, didn't I? Ah, yeah, where'd it go?
Can't tell you.
Where's my finger? There it is. Oh no, I did! I felt it! Okay, hold on, okay. I felt something wrong. It's so wrong. I don't know where your eyelashes are. It's hard to feel. I need to breathe. What? I need to breathe. Breathe, woman. I'm dying. Okay.
Hold on, I need to do the fanny thing because I don't want it to run off my face.
Oh,
my
yeah,
beautiful
yeah,
face.
yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Do it. Oh. Yes? I think we're doing it. I think I'm doing it. Oh no, I was doing the lid, wasn't I? I feel like I was doing your eyelid. We're done.
There we go. We're done with the mascara.
We'll do such a good massage. Mm-hmm. You look right.
Smells good.
It does. Oops. Just... Oh no!
Keep it going.
Oh no! My goodness! What this schmuck? Okay.
All right.
Oh my god! Oh god!
Gorgeous, darling.
Hey, I got it in the general areas.
You know,
you did better than I thought I was
Your
doing.
base was pretty good. You didn't blend my nose out at all, so I had a really big cattle print just right there, smack in the center.
Oh, that's for my fingers, isn't it? From touching your forehead. Wow, that mascara was nowhere. Oh, I got a little on your eye.
Yeah, you got a whole bunch on that eyelid. Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. I mean, like,
I know
you're at the
you
base
put
isn't too
foundation
bad.
down here on my neck. I've never blended it.
I didn't realize it was like that. Whoopsie. And the lips actually didn't do half bad. I got it all over your lip rings.
You got it all over here too. It looks like I wiped my lips when they were wet. The way kids
The
do,
bottom
but
lip is not that bad. The
No,
top lip
I
is
mean-
awful.
it's not as bad as it could be. Like,
And at least I got like eyeshadow in the general crease area.
sure.
Right up to the eyebrow. It was avant-garde.
I have no brow bone left anywhere.
We were doing an
so-
avant-garde look, just FYI. Oh goodness. But we are going to be doing another video where I actually do her makeup decent and good, so she's not looking like I just attacked her. So that will be coming. I think we'll probably do that. I'll probably post that video after this one.
Yeah.
We'll do this one first, and I'll post it earlier in the week when I do the one that's next. But I don't know. What do you guys think? How do you think I did? Huh? Yeah.
Nay.
What do you think I did good on?
Leave it in a comment below.
Yes, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. I will have Melissa's info, all of her socials, in the description box below. So you could be sure to follow her on all of her social media. Plus, we need to convince her that she needs to get a TikTok. We're going to do it. Because I'm going to make her be in some of my TikTok videos. Because we're going to do it. And we will see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, I already hit record.
Back to my channel.
Hey guys. Why I was just looking at a reflection of the camera.
I've been doing it the entire time. So
this is going great. Off to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing things a little differently right now for this video because we are going to, hopefully this audio sounds good because I don't have an external mic. So hopefully you can hear us well, but we are going to be doing, this is my sister Melissa. I'm just all over the place right now. What the fuck? I mean, yeah. I'm going to be blindfolded and I'm going to be trying to do her makeup. Okay, that's gonna be cut out of that.
Do you want to try it again so you don't... you said fuck and all this other stuff. So.
Okay, right.
Do you want to just delete everything?